First of all, a very good morning to all. I would like to welcome in the online study program. And today's session is going for the students of class 10th. And the topic that I am going to teach is still same, the pair of linear equation in two variables. So in the last session, we had studied about how the solutions of a pair of linear equation does help. For example, the intersecting pair have a unique solution. The parallel line has no solution, while the coincident lines has infinitely many solutions. So let us today try to find the methods how we find the solution of a pair of linear equation. So basically in your syllabus there are four methods to solve a pair of linear equation. The first method is by graphical method, the second method is by substitution method, third method is by cross multiplication method, and fourth method is by elimination method. So today we will study about substitution method. So in substitution method, for example, let us have a pair of linear equation that is x plus of y is equal to 2 and x minus y is equal to 0. Equation first and equation second. We need to find the solution of these two equations or this pair of linear equations by using substitution method. So from equation first, at first find the value of x. If we find the value of x from equation first, then x would be 2 minus of y. Let us consider it as equation number third. It here with the name of the method, that is substitution method. It means we need to substitute the value of x equal to 2 minus y in equation second. Then from equation second, we will substitute x as 2 minus y. Then x is 2 minus of y equal 0. Now at 2 minus 2y equal 0. It means minus 2y equal of minus of 2, minus 2 minus 2 cancel out, then y equal to 1. Now substitute the value of y1 in equation third. Then from equation third, x is equal to 2 minus y is 1. It means x equal to 1. So we have the required solution of the pair of linear equation in two variables, that is x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. Now we can verify our answer that if we will substitute the value of x equal to 1 and y equal to 1 in the equation first and equation second, then 1 plus 1 equal to 2 and 1 minus 1 equal to 0. It means our solution is correct. Now let us have another example, that is 2x plus 3y equal to 7 and 3x minus 2y is equal to 4. Equation first and second, we need to find the solution of this pair of linear equation in two variables. So from equation first, we would try to find the value of x. Then 2x is equal to 7 minus of 3y. Then x is equal to 7 minus 3y upon 2. It is as equation number third. Now substitute the value of x as 7 minus 3y upon 2 in equation second. Then from equation second, 3 into x. What is x? X is 7 minus 3y upon 2 minus 2y equal to 4. Then by solving this, 7 3 is 21 minus 3 3 is 9 of y upon 2 minus 2y is equal to 4. It is 21 minus 9y minus of 4y upon 8 equal to upon 2 equal to 4. Now 21 minus 9y minus 4y is equal to 2 4 is 8. It will be 21 minus of 9 minus 4. Minus 9 minus 4 is minus of 13y equal to 8. It means minus of 13y equal to 8 minus of 21. It means minus of 13y is equal to 21 is minus of 13. Minus 13 minus 13 cancel out. It means y is equal to 1. Now substitute the value of y equal to 1 in equation third. So from third, x is 7 minus 3 into y. What is y? Y is 1. 3 into 1 upon 2. It will be x is equal to 7 minus 3 upon 2. 7 minus 3 is 4 upon 2. It means 2. It means x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. is the required solution of pair of linear equation in two variables. If we need to verify our answer, then we will substitute y1 and x2 in both equation first and second. X is 2, then 2 2 is 4, y is 1, 3 1 is 3, then 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Now in equation second, x is 2, y is 1, then 3 2 is 6, minus 2 1 is 2, 6 minus 2 is 4. It means our answer is correct. So dear all of class 10th, this is all about today's lesson. It is all about substitution method to solve a pair of linear equation in two variables. Thanks for watching. Be safe, be healthy.